we're going to feed our alligators.
Wow.
This is our largest alligator. That is Humphrey. He's our largest male. He's 12 feet long and a little over 500 pounds. He's a pretty big boy. We have 12 adult alligators in this exhibit. And what you see this is a natural behavior. They are an ambush predator. In the wild, they can completely submerge their entire body except for their nostrils and their eyes. And then they can launch out of the water and grab their prey.
Comes.
In this example, they're just grabbing their teeth, so it's a little easier. But in the wild, they will ambush their prey.
He's like, I'm going to eat.
And they can launch
How
out of the
fat
water
he
and
is.
grab their
Get
food.
over that thing.
You'll notice they lift their nose out of the water and then propel themselves with their tail. Now, you may have heard them bellowing a little bit earlier. I know I heard some over here. It sounds like a deep growl. This is the way that these alligators are communicating with each other. During the breeding season.
Both of them were looking.
The males will do a deep bellow and the females will bellow back and forth as well, so they all know where each other is and they're getting each other's attention. So we are in the breeding season right now.
His head.
Hopefully if these alligators breed and they have a successful nest, what they'll do is they'll bury their eggs.
Both of them are going to try to get it.
Now when they bury their eggs in all these leaves and sticks, it's the decomposing of that plant matter that keeps the nest warm and incubates the egg. Now the warmer the nest, the more males will be born. The cooler the nest, the more females will be born. You can remember that by thinking hot guys and cool girls. Those are the gators, right? Now if you think about the turtles, the sea turtles, you may have heard the opposite. It is flip-flops with sea turtles. The cooler ones are actually the males and the hotter ones are the females. So they build the nest on the side and they'll use plant matter and debris and it'll start decomposing, and that decomposing actually keeps the eggs warm. Now when
It fell off his head.
Yeah.
I bet he smells it.
special camouflage that's called disruptive coloration stripes down their sides. You'll see they have yellow stripes or whitish stripes down their sides, and it breaks up their silhouette. It disrupts their silhouette. And this is very important because as soon as these alligators are born, they are considered prey for all the other adult alligators. So they have to be very well camouflaged and in an area where they can be well hidden. Their mother will protect them for a short period of time, but they will eventually be on their own and need to survive by themselves. Has anybody come up with any questions yet? What are they feeding them? Right now they are getting a red meat. Oh, right now they are not getting a red meat. They just got their red meat. Now they're getting pellets. These pellets come from the St. Augustine Alligator Farm. They have a lot of the vitamins and nutrients that these alligators need, and they also are very good for their teeth. They keep their teeth nice and white and strong. So you'll notice a lot of our alligators have nice, clean teeth, where a lot of the wild alligators may not. And another interesting thing about their teeth is if you think of a water cooler that has their cone cups next to them, you pull a cone out, another one's ready right behind it. That's how alligator teeth are. As soon as one falls out, there's one right behind it ready to come in. It goes 2,000 to 3,000 in their lifetime.